Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Google Gemini to quickly retouch your digital photos. So first thing we do is go to gemini.google.com and then we should see the prompt screen. I'm going to click on this plus button right here and click on upload file and upload the photo that I want to retouch. So I'm going to start by giving it a description of what I wanted to do. So that's the first thing I wanted to do. And next, then can you add a rim light effect around the left side of the subjects, or should I say silhouette? There we go. Now I'm pretty satisfied with that prompt. It's a good rule of thumb to be as descriptive as you have to be and describe exactly what changes you want it to make. So I'm gonna go ahead and click submit here. You can also just press enter, and then we'll give it a minute or two to generate. And there's our finished product. Overall, I'd say it's pretty good. Definitely made it a bit sharper, although I feel like the rim light effect is a little too harsh. So I'm gonna give it another prompt and ask it to tone it down a little. Let's give it another minute or two to adjust our changes. So doing it this way is pretty useful if you want to save on time and don't necessarily have the exact expertise needed to retouch photos like this. And the results are pretty good as well. Okay, now it's a little too soft. So sometimes you might need to go through a little back and forth with the AI assistant, but that's totally okay. Sometimes it doesn't really get exactly what you want at the first try, and it's pretty normal to go through a few revisions every now and then. There we go. Perfect. So this is pretty much what I had in mind, and I'm very happy with the finished product. So I'm gonna go ahead and mouse over this download button and click it. That way I get to save the picture for future use. So that was how you can use Google Gemini, specifically its Nano Banana 2 tool, to quickly retouch your photos in almost a studio level quality. I hope you were able to learn something new and something useful, and thank you for watching.